then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and open this document. Open this tab. Okay, so the biggest thing about this is it needs to be a CSV file. So I'm going to save as and double check that it's CSV. So right there. Okay, so I'm going to save this to the downloads or someplace that I can easily find it. Okay, so now it's saved as a CSV. Here's where the magic happens. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to like this place right here, and then you're going to go to mailings. So what we're about to do is put in the names. Now you're not going to be able to see this because you don't have the sheet saved, but I'm going to go to mailings. I'm going to click select recipients. Now the list that I've made is the list that I just saved.
Okay.
So what do you think I'm going to click from here? That's right, because I already have a list. So from there, I'm going to select the list. I saved it in downloads, so I'm going to go there. I see it right there. That's fine. We can open a read-only copy, no big deal. Cool. So now we're good to go. So now what I'm going to do is I want to insert the names. That's the merge field.
Okay.
So really easy. I click that. Exactly. Salazar. Then here. Right. Then here. Lada. Here. Okay. So now I'm pretty much done. Of these options, what do you think I need to do to finish?
Finish and merge.
Yep, exactly.
Sorry.
Yeah, no worries. I'm going to click edit individual documents because I want to be able to go back and change the dates to this. Okay, I want them all, so I'm going to click OK. And then boom, all the names are there. So it'll take a little while for them to all show up. You can see like this thing is kind of still ticking, but now it's all there. So now it automatically saved this as a new thing, letters. So now I'm just going to save as. It doesn't matter where we save it. Someplace, I'll save it in my downloads because that's like my throwaway file. But I'm going to save this as 12th restroom passes. Whenever, yep, and whenever I need to go back and change the date on this, I just find the old date, Sep 9, and then replace it with the new date, Sep 16 or whatever. And then it'll do that for all of them. Yep.